What's up? My name is Stanley Steen from Team Deberoo, and in today's video I will show you how easy it is to spy and rip a lender and import it in the brand new Deberoo Suite to make some changes yourself. So let's dive in. Alright, so I'm inside of Anstrex native and we are going to spy and find a lender that we want to rip, and then we are going to import it into the new Deberoo Suite and take a look how easy it is to make changes to that lender as we go. So first things first, if you haven't done so yet, make sure to sign in for the beta waiting list, as the first people, the first users are getting access granted to join the beta. So make sure to sign up for the waiting list quick, because the sooner you do so, the sooner you will get access, and also referring your friends will help you to get access sooner. So make sure to do so if you haven't done so yet. So, alright, we're inside of Anstrex native and we are going to look for a landing page that we want to download and then upload into the new Deberoo Suite, the platform where you can do everything related to affiliate marketing. So, first of all, let's get in a search. So, in this basic search, we can give a vertical of what kind of offer we want to look for. So in this case, what kind of vertical shall we do? Let's focus on crypto? Sure, why not? Let's focus on crypto. So I basically just type in crypto, and what I am going to do is change the language to English to make sure that the lenders that we will find are also in English. All right, cool. So these are the results. And let me just show you how this works. So basically, when you click on an ad, you can see the landing page right here. You can check it out and we will see if we can find one that we like. So I don't like this one as much, so I basically just go back and we can look for another one. How about this one? Hackers breached Telegram email accounts of 20, what was it? 20 Israeli crypto access reports. So this is the lender. Looks better than the previous one, but still not exactly what I am looking for. So let's continue the search and see if we can find anything else. Investing crypto and get a steady monthly income from home. Let's check it out. I actually like the looks of this lender. So let's download and deploy. Okay. And as it downloads, I will go to the page where we will see all the downloads inside of Anstrex. So as you can see, it is downloading right here. And as soon as it's done, we will click on zip and download the zip file. In the meantime, I will show you that you can also use the lenders in the spy tool different. So for example, if you're running in a country with a foreign language, foreign than the language that you are accustomed to, then you might have to translate all your creatives and you might have to translate your complete lender. If you don't want to do so, you could choose to download a lender, to rip a lender that has already been translated into the language of the country that you want to promote in. So for example, I can just click away English and get any other language in there. So for example, maybe I want to run this in French, right? So then I would look for a French ad. So this looks French, even though it's run in Germany, but it looks French to me. Right. So then, for example, I can download this landing page and upload it into the Deberoo Suite, and easy as that, I now have a all translated lender. But be careful, because you do want to make sure that all the information stated in the lander is accurate to your campaign and your offer. And it needs to be coherent, right? So people see your ad, they click on your ad, they see your lander, they click on the offer, and they go to the offer page and they order their product or whatever, right? So make sure that is coherent, because if it's not coherent, then somewhere in that flow, people will get caught off. They will jump off your page because they don't trust it, or they just feel lost or whatever. So make sure that you don't have to translate everything yourself or write everything yourself and translate it and then put it in the lander, but you do want to have a basic understanding of what is said in the lander and if it's coherent with your offer and your flow. So very important. So you can use these landers and rip them to save money and time on translation. I don't recommend it. I recommend writing your own landing pages and your own copies and translating them. But if for whatever reason you don't want to do so, you could just download a landing page in the language that you want to promote in, right? Let's see how far our lander is. It's all done. So let's click on zip and download. And as you can see, it starts downloading a zip file. So let's go to Deberoo.com. Here we are. So if you haven't done so yet, there is a huge button here that says join the free beta. And when you do so, you just leave your first name, last name, and email address, and then you are on the beta waiting list. That's all it takes. And the sooner you do so, the sooner you will get access to the beta test and get access to free software on our new all-round affiliate marketing platform. For now, let's sign in, because I already have an account. No, I'm just kidding. Let's take a look inside. So if you haven't seen this yet, this is the brand new dashboard of the Deberoo Suite. And as you can see, there is a lot of coming soon yet. So here, coming soon is the tracker overview, and the top 5 forum posts are also coming soon. And of course, lots and lots more to come. Because as you can see right here in the advertising suite, we have the landing page builder that is live at the moment. So that's awesome, and we're going to use it. The tracker, the spy tool, and the cash flow calculator are still to come. So they will follow a little later. Let's go to the landing page builder. As you can see, I already have one template, one landing page. But right now we are going to upload a zip, and I am going to call it download lander crypto. All right. And then we are going to browse for the file. Right here it is. Save it. And then we wait for it to upload. Bam! We have our lander now inside our landing page builder. So we spied on an ad. We saw a landing page that we liked. We downloaded it. We uploaded it into the landing page builder of the Deberoo Suite. And now we can start adjusting it. So the good part about the landing page builder and this new editor is that it automatically recognizes all the different boxes and all the different pieces of text and images ready for you to change them to the way you want to have them in your campaign. So I'll show you around. Right here, this affiliate made an icon right here. This landing page builder recognizes that icon and makes you able to change it. So it also recognized that you might want a piece of text here, right? It even has some text in the background, so we can delete this. And that deletes this headline. Okay, so I didn't want to do that. So that is this headline right here, Trading Matador. So maybe I want to call my page Trading Coach, whatever, right? Trading Coach. Bam. Okay, cool, no worries. Changed it. And then right here we have the headline, and maybe I want to change his name from Leonard Jeffries to Jeffrey Leonard, whatever, right? Very simply, Jeffrey Leonard. Awesome. It's as simple as that. I can change the headline, I can change these images, I can change even the icons of Facebook and Twitter. Obviously, I can change these images and these texts as well. So basically, all that there's left for me to do is make decisions on what I want to do with my lander. And this saves me so much time because I can do two things. I can either pick a template and write everything the way I want it in my campaign and create a coherent flow, which will get the optimal results, but with a lack of time, it might be more efficient to rip a lander that I like and make small changes to make it coherent to the offer and to the flow, right? Or I could also say, okay, I love the layout of this landing page. I can write the best copy for this campaign and make it most coherent as possible. So I will rewrite everything that is in there, but the setup I like. So I'm going to save myself some time. Instead of opening a blank page, or opening a template and change everything and build everything the way I want it to be myself, I can save a lot of time by not necessarily looking for a landing page with the right information and the right pieces of text, but just a landing page with the layout that I like. And then as soon as I have the layout, I can upload it to the landing page builder and very easily do all the rest myself. So basically, right now, your templates are all the landing pages that you can find in the Spy tool. Because every landing page that is online and that you can find through the Spy tool, you can download, import into the landing page builder and edit. And I should say, not every landing page is online because some affiliates hide their landing pages. And then also not every landing page is gonna be downloaded and uploaded correctly and being able to change, but 9 out of 10 will. So it gets very easy to choose and edit your landing page. So right here we have a box, for example, do you like cookies, blah, 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 blah. This is just made in, this is almost like an image, right? It's just, it doesn't have any functions behind it. So I can very easily say, delete this box. And it's gone. And it's off the page. It's easy as that. I might want to change this image. I double click. I upload the image that I want to be there. So let's give an example. Let's upload something. See if I have something right here. Let's see. Okay, so maybe I want to upload this. Sure thing, we can do that. All right, so now I personalize this lander to be coherent with my flow and my campaign, which will create the optimal results and the optimal click-through rate for my campaign. That's going to be it for today. Once again, make sure, do not forget to sign in for the beta waiting list to get your free access to the beta test of this new Deberoo Suite. And if you do so, before you know it, you could be using this very landing page builder and you could be uploading the landers that you have found on the internet. So that's going to be it for this one. I will catch you next time. Peace out.